Hey guys, it's me GLACIER and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my gaming setup 2022. So as soon as you enter, this is what you're going to be seeing. My nice comfy chair, it's pretty bland. And my Cable 5 RGB keyboard. Something nice, my PC screen. Then I have my Switch, which is pretty good, cool. And my phone is here because of these lights. Now, not because of these lights, because it also looks cool. Now, if I am in a very dangerous situation, like pulling off a heist in Jailbreak, or I'm in a top 10 situation in Fortnite, you never know which I'm in. Or if I'm about to win the race but I'm neck to neck, everything in the room will go red, like this. Everything will turn red just like that. And my keyboard will start speeding up. So will my mouse, and everything goes in danger mode. Everything turns red. Now, let's do another nice transition where everything will go blue. Ready? 3, 2, 1. See? I can make transitions happen just like that. And I'm just kidding, that was not a transition. Anyways, since then after I win, I can slow down everything to nice calm reputation here. I switch, go back to normal. Now let's look at the background of the shirt. This is going to be my PC. PC is hooked up nicely. This is going to be my editing software actually. So you can see in the background and it kind of looks cool. Then we have this nice area over here. I'm going to record some lighting, so just alright, let's try that again. Maybe that's gonna work. Maybe. See? There we go. So these are my souvenirs. This is at Virginia Beach. Collected some nice seashells. This was at Fort McHenry in Baltimore. Around long distance from where I am. Turkish Airlines, woohoo! Then this is Pacific Railway, where I've been. Next up we have my custom, it wasn't custom made, but it was custom made. My actual name, right there, chilling. And this is just my cool section, you know? So, I've got nice type of boxes. This is for a USB drive, candy stash, and it looks sciencey, but it's just spray. And nothing special about that. Then I have my card deck back here, and I am a cute person. So, got my simple 2 here, 3x3. Yeah, that's for this. Then if we come here, this cool feature where the book that I want, am I correctly reading, will just pop up. And this mechanism is really nice. And then I just put it back in there. Ow! And that rearranges itself. Kidding. I have to go do that later. Anyways, then comes this. This, my friends, is my keyboard box. Now with the glass and stuff, look at that. That looks so colorful. Cool. Next up, we have my tech section. So on 2 sides, we have my iPhone box, Another iPhone box. This charging mechanism that does not work, but I do have it. GoPro Variety. Oh, this is actually all the equipment that I use. A piece of it. USB jack to store all my memories. 4 best of clips. Got some nice headphones. AirPods are connected. I need to seal away my Skype. iPods. Very, very nice since Apple stopped selling them. So sad. Then we have a Fitbit. Cool Fitbit. Yeah. I use it to tell the time. It's pretty cool. Then we have the best Magic the Gathering. I will talk about it, show you guys tips and tricks on this. And then this is not the gear I use. These are Ray-Bans for my glasses. So yeah, travel case. That's my travel case. That's my Ray-Ban case. Yeah. Well, moving on from that. So guys, if you want to watch my full thing, how I built this thing, it's on my YouTube channel, link in the description if you want to see more content like this. Because you know, building this took some time, more like a year or so. 6 months. I'm not that rich yet, so you guys are gonna have to deal with me being like this. Let's see.